Sit. Paw. Lay down. Speak. 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 Wait. 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 Okay. Good girl. Can we get a like for Lil Butters in the cut at the beginning of the video? Let's go, baby. If you're wondering what the best investment is for your place, it has to be an iRobot or even the knockoff brands, because this girl sheds so much. Look at this. I gotta do that twice a day. Twice a day to get all of your fur off of the ground. We got a slight problem. Okay, I don't even know where to start, but I'm just gonna say I need to get the car smogged, and there has been a change in the system of how they do things. Back in the day, if you knew a guy that knew another guy that knew another guy, it was very easy to get a smog. And if you're in California, I'm sure you know how hard it is to get smogged. But when I had the Evo, it was like that. It was pretty easy. Money can solve the problem, but now they kind of switch things up a little bit. So any car that has a tune on it, that's not an OEM tune, essentially won't pass smog. But the problem is if you revert it back to a stock tune with all these upgrades, you're gonna have some issues. But yeah, right now it's just basically me talking to a few people, trying to figure out what our game plan is going to be to smog the GTR. Right now though, we gotta get some mail. Let's get the mail. This is how we get our mail. Signature. Whoa. Nothing else. I love how we have lockers here. It just makes it so much easier to get your packages, and it ensures that nothing gets stolen, because that's never fun, right? Let's get this quick little E85 startup. Today I just need to get a quick routine oil change. That's basically it on this car. It's about time to get the oil change, so we're gonna get a quick oil change. By the way, I've been keeping up with the workouts. I've been keeping up with keeping the boba intake lower. I've been eating out less, cooking at home a lot more, and just being a little bit more active. And I'm 6 pounds down today. My ultimate goal is to get under 200 pounds. So we're slowly working at it, slowly chipping away. I'm starting to get a little neck back. You know what I mean? Like the arms, I'm trying to get a little bit bigger in the arms right here because we're doing an arm sleeve pretty soon. And for everybody asking when my next tattoo session is gonna be, my artist is gonna be traveling for a little bit, so we're gonna set this up for probably around like August time. That's when I'm gonna get an arm sleeve, and then we're gonna do the shading for my legs. So we're gonna do back-to-back days on that. So it's gonna be a little bit of a wait, but honestly, I would rather go to him than anyone else because I love his work. So it's gonna be a little bit of a wait, but I need y'all to stay patient with me. Everything's gonna be super sick. Got a little bridge action. Quick little pull. About to pull up to David's right now. Get this little oil change in. Let's do it. I think I'm just gonna drop the car off today. I don't have time to stick around. Let's see. We got Evos out here. Who remembers the Evo 10? We got a nice Model 3 out here. Nice Model 3, Slam Model 3. For the Beamer boys. All right, let's go see David. Let's get some of the cars out here for you guys. Nice little NSX over here. It's a cool yellow color. And then we got another GTR. I think these are the same wheels that Dustin Williams has. I think. Might be tripping. This color's crazy though. Wrap still looks amazing. Premium auto styling, man. You guys killed it. Damn. Within like the first couple of months, sometimes you'll start seeing like slight pieces lift up, but I haven't had any issues. But man, if you guys ever need work done, I would highly recommend Premium Auto Styling. Bonjour, welcome to Cooking with, give me a French name, is Jacques?
Jacques.
Cooking with Jacques. In today's video, we're gonna be doing a little cooking segment right here. It's almost lunchtime. I was craving like steak last night or some sort of meat, some sort of brisket, something nice and simple, right? So today, I'm gonna be whipping that up real quick. Shout out to Trader Joe's. So the way I'm gonna be whipping it up is pretty much pepper lunch style. If you guys have never had it before, basically, it comes out on a very hot skillet and the meat kind of cooks around it. There's rice, there's garlic butter. It's delicious, it's delicious. I'm just gonna cut back a little bit on the carbs and just more on the meat. But yeah, that's gonna be lunch. I have my mom here with me. You wanna say hi? Say hi.
Hi.
I didn't get her actual reaction for my tattoo.
No.
There is no reaction because she knows about everything. Everything is healed. Oh my gosh, Butters. Everything is all healed up. I'm telling you guys, all I need is that shading. But shout out to the boy Derek. He absolutely killed it. Again, arm coming next. Arm coming next, right?
Not really.
Not really, okay. Whatever that means, right? I have some rice cooking in the rice cooker. I'm gonna wait for that to cook a little bit more and then I'll get started. But this is like the easiest thing you could ever cook. All you need is meat, maybe garlic salt or garlic. I mean, that's pretty much it. Ooh, if I have corn, let me see. Corn. Do I have corn? I probably don't. Do I have corn? I have beef jerky. I got beans, but I don't have corn. All right. Butters, Vietnamese segment. Teach them your Vietnamese. Okay, stop. Okay, say, đồ mẹ con cặc. There you go. Mẹ con cặc. There you go. Okay, let me teach you a good word. You could say nước mắm. Nước mắm. That means fish sauce. Butters talks a lot. If you guys haven't noticed, she talks a lot. Right, Butters? See, guys, I'm trying to learn Vietnamese, but I love just learning the bad words. I know. It's not good.
Proud of it.
You're not proud of it? Well, the bad words is what you pick up on. And then you kind of learn how to speak the... You learn how to speak the normal language. God damn.
That's what you get for saying bad words.
What?
That's what you get for saying bad words.
That's mean. You don't say that
That's
to
not
me.
mean.
Hey you, the bread loaf, over there. What are you doing with that? Can I see your toy? Can I see your toy? First things first, we're gonna butter this pan up. Yes. So right now, we're basically just seasoning the pan with this garlic. So, y'all smell that? So we're gonna put the rice on here right in the middle and then we're gonna do the meat around the edges. Okay, so this is basically how we're looking right now. We got our rice. We're gonna let the meat cook a little bit. Kind of like how it would be if you went to the restaurant. All right, and just like that, when you start seeing the meat that's like mainly cooked, you can turn off your skillet. The heat is gonna cook the rest of it. You don't want it to be, too tough. So just right, got the garlic around it. Make sure you mix it up. And then if you wanna get funky with it, you can add a little bit of teriyaki sauce. But cool thing about this is the rice at the bottom, it's heated up with that butter, so it's gonna be crispy. So you just kind of mix everything together. You can eat it like this. So this portion right here, this is for my mom and myself. So we're both gonna be sharing this. This is a lot of rice right here. So this is basically a nice, simple, easy lunch. All right, the car is done. Literally, it was pretty quick. Just had enough time to get some lunch, and now I'm back. Okay, I feel like I have to explain myself a little bit. There's a lot of stuff that's going on in this video and I feel like I didn't catch you guys up with everything because I want to kind of keep everything on the down low before things happen. But I figured, you know what, let me just explain what is going on. So right now, there's somebody that offered me a crazy amount for the GTR. And I know this car is my dream car. I've been wanting it for a very, very long time. Ever since I was 16 years old, I wanted this car, and I finally got it a year ago. So now you're probably wondering, Alex, why are you selling the car? Well, I don't know if I'm selling the car right at this moment right now. I have somebody interested in the car. He threw me a crazy offer, like I said. Where I'm at in life right now, I'm just trying to think, what is the best way to go about it? Because how I live my life is I make these decisions, and I see a lot of these decisions flourish and help me in the future. So I'm trying to be really tactical, trying to be really strategic with my moves right here, because this is a lot of money to be playing with, and it is no joke. So a lot of people just see, you know, just a car, but what I see is if I'm able to sell this car for this specific price, we'll talk numbers in a later video, then I'll be able to help a lot of people out, help build my future out. And I'm just thinking a lot long term, right? Regardless, I already know with my mentality, my work ethic, I will do fine in the future. This amount of money is insane. Like, you guys know how the car market is right now. I already know if I sell that car, I'm gonna miss the car, but that's okay. That's just a material item, and it goes to show you that if you put in the work, you can make that happen. That was just a dream for me 10 years ago, right? So without a doubt, with the support that I have, with the great people I have around me, I know that that car right there is not something that is unattainable. I already proved it once. If I proved it once, I could do it again. So that's none of my concern at the moment. But trust me, I would not get rid of my dream car to downgrade for anything or to get something that's just average, right? You know me, I'm not average. If you really know me like that, I always level up. Level up, level up, level up. That's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to progress in life on an incline. So that's what we're trying to do. When you do deals with cars, there's going to be a lot of times where things don't go the way that is planned and things just fall out. So case one, I keep the car. I enjoy this thing. It's my dream car. Case two, I get rid of the car, get the money, do what I do, and maybe get one in the future, or maybe I'll get something else, right? So either way, win-win situation. There's a lot of money on the table. That's why I just wanted to let you guys know, because you guys are the viewers that actually care about my lifestyle, what I'm doing. That's why you're watching the vlog channel. Everybody else, they're more curious about the sneaker side of things, but this is the real life, real in my head, all my thoughts, all my experiences, everything. So I want to be able to look back at this video. If this car sells, amazing. If not, it's all good. That's also amazing. So this is just me sitting here in my room, kind of pondering these moves. We're playing chess over here, not checkers. So each move must be calculated. Each move must be strategic. And I feel like I just have a good feeling that something amazing is coming out of this. So that's all I'm gonna say. That's all I'm gonna say. I'm gonna let y'all ponder on that. I have some work that I need to finish right now, but it felt good to kind of just let you guys know, because again, a lot of people just see a car, but what I see is the potential of changing a future for many people. I hope y'all understand. I did make a post the other day saying that, you know, this amount of money can change lives. Like this is a lot. This is a lot of money. So I had a lot of support, you know, from you guys with DMs and all these crazy things. So I want to thank you guys for at least supporting me, because I thought it was super cool that y'all believe me enough to understand that whatever I have cooking is going to be much greater than just a car. You know, it's a good feeling to know that. So it means a lot to me, man. It means a lot to me, especially if you're just sitting here listening to me ramble on about what my next move is in life, because we're getting old. Again, we're getting old. It's time to switch things up a bit. I don't even think today's vlog is a full vlog, but I'm just gonna end y'all on this part right here, okay? I hope y'all have a beautiful day. I'm gonna catch you guys very soon. I have a couple trips coming up, so there's gonna be, you know, some vlogs coming. So I hope you guys are ready for that, but just keep in mind, your boy is busy. I'm trying to do these vlogs every now and then just to keep you guys updated in my life and see what I'm up to, but if I have the time to pick up a camera, I'm picking up the camera. But yeah, again, catch you guys very soon for the next video. Hopefully, I got my full chin in the next video. Hopefully the jawline will be bussin'. But yeah, I'll catch you guys for the next one. It's your boy Sneakerhead in the Bay and Butterino. And we're out. Peace.